Pollution. Human beings manipulate environment for their comforts and needs. Increase in human population and great advancement in industry and technology has disturbed the delicate balance of the environment. Have you ever wondered what pollution is? It is an undesirable change in the physical, chemical, or biological characteristics of air, water, and soil, making them harmful for living organisms, is termed as pollution. Pollution is majorly categorized into air pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution. And the agents or substances that pollute the environment are called pollutants.
Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.